Investing in agriculture stocks can provide exposure to the agriculture industry and the potential for long-term growth. Here are some steps to consider when investing in agriculture stocks. Research and understand the agriculture industry. Gain knowledge about the agriculture industry, including its subsectors such as crop production, livestock, agricultural equipment, and agribusiness companies. Understand factors that affect the industry, such as weather patterns, global demand for food, and technological advancements. Identify agriculture companies. Research and identify agriculture companies that align with your investment goals. Look for companies involved in farming, agricultural technology, fertilizer production, seed companies, or agricultural equipment manufacturing. Evaluate financials and performance. Analyze the financial health, revenue growth, profitability, and competitive position of the agriculture companies you are considering. Review their balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. Look for companies with solid financials, a strong market position, and a history of consistent growth. Diversify your portfolio. As with any investment, diversification is important. Consider investing in a mix of agriculture companies across different subsectors and geographical regions to spread out your risk. Open an investment account. Open a brokerage account with a reputable broker that allows you to trade stocks. Ensure that the broker provides access to the stock exchanges where agriculture companies are listed. Monitor and manage your investments. Stay informed about the agriculture industry, track the performance of your agriculture stocks, and stay updated on relevant news and market trends. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Consider ETFs and mutual funds. If you prefer a diversified approach without investing in individual stocks, consider investing in agriculture-focused exchange-traded funds or mutual funds. These funds provide exposure to a basket of agriculture stocks, providing diversification and professional management. Remember, investing in agriculture stocks carries risks, including market volatility, commodity price fluctuations, and regulatory and weather-related risks. Conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and invest based on your risk tolerance and long-term investment objectives.